Mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big one, but we thought we were bigger. Then she recharged to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb, drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. Always had that dream like my daddy before me, so I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something around that glory just always seemed to bore me, cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. I don't believe in failure, cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, please goes in favor. And if you don't see me before I leave, I hope to see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was writing about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Our souls have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still rolling. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My wife and children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm so sorry. Soon I'll be 16 years old. Daddy got 16. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I hold her later on. I hope my children come and visit once or twice.